it's TMCuber here, and today I'm going to show you how to reassemble the 5x5. I'm using the Mofangi 5x5. So first thing what you want to do is take this edges and just try to make these corners like this and just pop it up. Sometimes you get it all. Well, just do it all. These pieces are going to make the cube collapse. So make sure you get all the pieces. Don't move them. So yeah, all you gotta do is just spin this up and just take it out. See where the blue and good. So hey guys, it's TMCuber here, and today I'm going to show you how to reassemble the 5x5. This is the Mofangi. Get the core. If you guys know my channel, it's gonna be change the name. Now it's like created by cubing its name right now. So yeah, now I want to first start with the white. Now if you guys want to start with the white, you can start with any color if you want. But the first thing you have to do is get the color that you want to start, like blue or red. I'm gonna do it red. So yeah, get one of these, white, and also these pieces, red, and trying to find these ones but with the same color. Let me find it first. See, like this. First thing that you want to do is get the white one, put it right here, and hold it with your hand, just like this. See, just join like this. You guys get a closer look at this. When you got that, and hold it with your thumb or hand, and get this piece and put it gently down it right here till it joins up. See, you have to push it a little bit so it links up with this, so you can put it here. Sometimes people like to do this, just pop like this. No, I like to do like this, just slide it in. It's a little bit difficult. See, we're done. And the second one, the green, same thing. Trying to find these pieces again. One of the greens here, and these pieces. Oh yeah, same thing. Get the white, just put it right there. Get the green on the white side up. My hands are a little slippery. And carefully put it, because you're gonna just like this, you're gonna ruin it and you have to start all over. Just push it a bit and just put it back. Okay, I'm gonna ruin this. Okay, you know what, I'm doing it off camera and I will get to you. Hey guys, I'm back. So yeah, do only 3, and when you're done all this 3, flip it like this. Like this. So yeah, grab an orange and also an orange piece, also a white piece. This will be the last piece though, because it's the only one. See? So I first want to do the orange right here, and the orange up. Careful, can might pop it up. See, we hold it up like this and get it into the right position. See that? And get the white and put it right here and slide it in. and you should get like this, just like a cross. Now we want to fill in the gaps. So yeah, get one of these whites and just put it between it, just like this. See, just like this. Did all white, but I'm doing one at a time. So yeah, again, get like this. Piece the edge pieces. Make sure white's facing down and blue is facing on you. So yeah, just put it like this, so the colors are matched. And do it the same with the orange. Okay, we start with the color. See, this is wrong. This would be the other. This would be here. So yeah, try to find another one. See like this. Wait, no, like this one. See, just like this, and you just put it like this. See, just it's like that. And you should have like a corner thing that slides in. And find it, you must have white, blue, and orange. Just like this. And just put it where it are the same color. Just like this. White is at the bottom, the orange is on the left, and the blue is on the right. And just put it like this. Just like sits on like nicely. And do it all with all of them. Just to remind you, corners are only 8 on every single cube, just like this 7x7. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on every cube, just the same. So you don't have to worry about the corners, just the same. So I'm just gonna continue. See, you should get like this. Now, all I want to do is grab these pieces, just the same as the white, and just align it with right here, just the same. So yeah, see, just the same. Put it right here. Do it with all of it, but you have to that here. Trying to find like this. It's like top like this, not down. This would be the wrong face to put on. So yeah, just put it like this. Just like this. Make sure not slide. And it should look like this. And do it with all of them. You know what? I'm gonna get you guys back. Hey guys, I'm back. If you do it all with this, you should look like this. But the pieces are really easy to pop. Now what you want to do, just do the same thing with a 4x4. Grab these pieces, or if you want to do instantly, get these pieces and make sure you align like this, not like this. This is the inner one, and put it just like this. Now if you know how to assemble 4x4, a lot of people just put it in just this, or people start by putting this first and putting this, but I like to do this first. See, do it all with the others. So yeah, if it's like shaking like this, it does not want to be in place. Just put it right here and push it up like here, and just put it. That will help you a bit. And I'm done. And this way it looks like. You should be looking like a 3 by 5 by 5. Now we just want to do the yellow. It's just the same. It's just a little bit. I'm just gonna do it for you guys and grab these pieces. Just the same. Do it with the white. It's just the same thing. See, it's just the same. Try to write these colors. See, just the same. Put this first, then do the rest. And if it's like this, just put it right here, then slide it, and just slide in place. And do it all. But if you start right here, it's gonna be a little bit tough, and do it with the blue first, so it will be more stable. Do the same thing. Put it right there. See, just like this. Put it where no place is gonna be plate. Put it and hold this up and just slide it. See, just like that. Now it's a little bit more stable to put in these ones. But be careful, you might be popped it out. Get on color. And this is the last one you have to do. and we're done. You should have like this. Oh yeah, do the same thing, but first thing we want to do is place in these corners, and what we want to do is hold this and just put it in, just like that, and do it with all of it, and I'll get you guys later. Hey guys, I'm back. This is what it looks like when it's put on. Just looks like this. And now want to get this kind of piece and put it under on each one. See, like this, and put it each one, and just do it with all of it. It's not too hard to find all the pieces because it's just the same thing. See, you should have put it like this. It's now stable. Now you want to get these pieces and put it between this. Don't worry if you push the edges, it's not gonna pop out easily. And if you get it off center, just put it back, and do it with all of it. If you popped, you must do it carefully next time so it doesn't pops. Must be careful because these parts are really unstable. When they fully assemble, it's really scary. I will recently change my name to TM Cuber, or I'm just gonna say Tom Cuber, whatever you guys want to say, and just recenter it, and it should look like this. I forget one, and it should look like this. Now the edges just put in just the same, and these kind of pieces are not that hard to put, so I'm gonna do the edges first. So yeah, just for reminding, someone can do the same like this. So yeah, first thing you just want to put it like this and just push it, and if it's too hard you don't want to force it, just put your hand and force it, and isn't that hard. Do it all of it. See, it's easier than that. If you have any problems with reassembling this cube, tell me in the comments, and I will make another video to make it easier for you. And you should have it like this. Well, don't turn it really fast because it's gonna be like this. It's gonna disassemble itself. Now these pieces, see these holes, and just put it like this and just push it. Should do that. But with a 4x4, the pieces are a bit bigger and they are harder to put in. See like this, just push it. And this is the last piece, so just put it, and it's assembled. See, done. not popping or anything, it's not too loose or too slow, it's in good condition. Hopefully you guys like this video. Tell me in the comments what video I should put, and I'll talk to you guys later.